Hi, I'm Matt,
Hi, I'm Beth.
and we're here in the library kitchen. We're mixing up some dog treats in anticipation of our dog adoption event coming up September 11th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. These are peanut butter flavored treats. Just a few ingredients, pretty easy. We'll post the recipe online. A little bit more about the event. We're working with a local rescue operation, and to raise funds for them, we are selling in the library some bandanas for your dog. This one says, "Live, Love, Rescue." We have different designs, different sayings. We are also selling rope toys for your dog. The rope toys are going for $3. The bandanas are $12 or $18 for two. We have a selection of patriotic bandanas that are going for $6. All proceeds go to the rescue. There are going to be several dogs available at the event. You're also accepting donations in the form of any dog supplies, food, pee pads, toys. Anything you have that may be left over or spare, we're taking them again for the rescue operation. So yeah, we are in the middle of baking the treats right now, and we'll let you see them when they're done. All right, so what is in this recipe?
All right, well, it's really easy. It's 2 cups of flour,
2 cups of flour.
Half a cup of peanut butter,
Ooh, half a cup of peanut butter.
2 eggs,
Okay. It's tricky to get that off
peanut
there.
butter. Alrighty then. Eggs, and then you can do half a cup of water.
And then you just mix it together.
Mix it all up, roll it out.
No KitchenAid required.
Not at all. A little arm strength, because you will bake them for 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and you will get this cute little result. You can cut them with whatever you want, but we just love the bones.
The bones. And now, some lucky library pooches are going to get a chance to taste test these, and we'll see how they go over. Thanks, Beth.
You're welcome.
1, 2, 3.